So this video is the one that you are going to want to save. We're going to be talking all things Notion shortcuts. This is the one you're going to want to come back to so you can make creating a Notion that is going to be absolutely perfect for you in less time as possible. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Myra. I am your Notion loving Slytherin, and we do all things organization and cozy vibes over here. So if you are into that kind of thing, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos. I am the go-to girl to get you started with Notion in the easiest way possible. And we have a little fun with our Kindles and texts and all that good jazz. So if you're into the cozy vibes and want to stay organized, this is the place to be. And don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button as well. And while you're at it, why don't you go ahead and drop me down in the comments, what is your biggest issue right now when it comes to Notion? Is it just getting started? Is it learning it? Do you have issues with formulas? Let me know, because I would love to help you out. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and hop on over to my computer so we can get these shortcuts and get you on your way with Notion today. All right, guys, so we are here with my Notion. We're here on my dashboard page. Now, with some of these shortcuts, they are going to be a little bit different versus a Mac or a Windows. I personally have Mac products, so that is what you're going to be seeing me do as far as the shortcuts and me saying, but I will actually add the Windows version if it is different on the screen. So if you use a Windows, you can follow along with this video as well. So first off is the simplest. It is one that I use. You probably see me using it. If you watch any other Notion videos, I'm pretty sure you've seen them use it as well. And it is the all-powerful backslash. So I'm here right now under my to-do for today, and you just simply hit the backslash, and it is going to bring up the different commands that you may want. So let's say I want to add a page right under this to-do list, so I can start typing in page. It will bring that up. If I want to add like a database, you can do that and start typing. But the all-powerful backslash is going to give you the commands to get you started on what you want to create. So if you wanted to add a link to a page, you can do that. Anything that you would want to do, all you have to do is start by hitting that powerful backslash and type in whatever you need. Calendar, and you can type that in and bring up the calendar view. So that is the one that I use all the freaking time. You probably seen it a lot, but if you don't know, now you know. Okay, so this next tip here is purely for aesthetics. This is one that I recently learned, and I think it is a really cool one. If you want to switch from dark mode to light mode, back and forth, It's very simple. Just for the Mac, it is Command-Shift+L. So we'll go ahead and do that. Command-Shift and L, and it will turn your Notion into dark mode. And if you want to hit that again, it will go back to light mode. So this next shortcut is one that I use all the time because I am very good for moving around things into places that I didn't exactly want it to be. So it is the undo command, and it's very simple. On the Mac, it is Command-Z. So just for a quick example, let's just say I wanted to move this Harry Potter lo-fi playlist towards the middle. So I have my to-dos right here on the far left-hand side. I will go and drag it. And just a reminder, you guys, make sure that you are paying attention to where these blue bars are lighting up. Sometimes you let go too soon and it just goes into the wrong space, but I want it in the middle here. So I'm looking for that blue bar. So I moved it right there to the middle, but let's just say, you know what? I don't really like the way this is looking. I really prefer it on the far left-hand side. So what we're going to do, just to make it simple, you can drag and move it over and try to do that whole, balancing thing with the bars, or just simple Command-Z, and it's going to take it right back exactly where it was. This also works with like typing. Command-Z, it's going to undo the last thing you type. Depending on how fast you type it in. So I got rid of everything, but if I type it in a little bit slower, it may only get rid of like the last few, but you can continue to keep hitting Command Z until that is completely gone. So we'll continue to do the undos of things that you've done prior. Very useful, very easy. And I think it comes really, really in handy, more so when you're like moving and trying to organize things exactly where you want it to be. And maybe you drop it under here, for instance, and that is not what I wanted to do at all. So Command Z works perfectly fine to get it back where it was existing prior to. In addition to the undo, I think it is very, very important for you to know the duplicate shortcut. And that is very similar to the undo. It is Command D for duplicate. And for instance, if you wanted to duplicate a certain page or a certain to-do list, you can easily just highlight it, Command D, and it is going to duplicate it right up under it. You can then take this, as long as it's all highlighted, it's going to go together, move it around, put it where you want it, or just edit these. I use the Command D, the duplicate shortcut, a lot when I am making a list or a certain page where I need the same type of block, but I need multiples of it. So instead of creating a whole new block, you can just highlight what you need, Command D, and it will duplicate it. And then you can go in and say, like, I want this to be my to-do list for the month. And I can just edit what I want it for and move from there. It's so much easier than recreating the same block over and over again. You can easily just duplicate it. And if you decide you no longer want it, highlight, delete it. So yeah, that is very, very simple. And both undo and duplicate comes in handy a lot when you are trying to build out things. If you watch me build out a certain Notion board or certain Notion page, you will see me using those commands a lot. So get those two stuck in your memory because they are going to help you build out the best Notion for you. All right, so we're hopping over to my content planning hub, and mainly because I do need to update my content planning hub, but also I think there are some really cool shortcuts that you can do for changing up the font and the way your words look as you are typing. And here's some really quick and easy ways in Notion that you can do that. So let's just go ahead and open up this reel that I am getting ready to do and should have been done it. So let's go ahead and start typing in the goal for this post. And for me, it is to showcase my personality. And I want to add a little bit more details after that, but I want showcase my personality to be in bold. So I'm going to add the 2 stars at the beginning, show my personality, and add it at the end, and it automatically bolds that portion of the text for me. And I can continue typing and it will be in the regular size of font, non-bolded basically. So that's a really easy and quick way that you can kind of highlight or bold or make something pop as you are typing in different things. So if you want something to be like in a slanted font, you can also do the underscore before and after, and it will become in that slanted type of font. So if you want something to be Strikethrough, maybe that's something you had an idea for and now you want to scratch it out. So we're going to put in like maybe try this idea, but we're going to do that little squiggly motion one. It's the button to the left of the one, and try this instead. And we're going to put another one and it will strike through it. So these are different ways that you can like fancy up your typing or make some things pop out, scratch out some things, make things look a little bit different than the rest of your wording. Just some easy shortcuts to add to your typing. And there you have it. Those are some really cool and easy Notion shortcuts that is going to get you started. Let me know if you want me to show you guys some more in-depth Notion shortcuts. I think these are a really good stepping stone to get you started and get you used to actually typing and doing things and creating within Notion. Like I said, I use majority of these shortcuts every single day. I am really excited that I learned about the light and dark mode that I showed you guys in the video. video. That is just a game changer for me because it's an easy 2-click button to get it exactly how I need it when I need it. So let me know down below how you guys enjoyed the video, what you would like to see next. I have so much more Notion content coming for you guys, and I know you guys keep asking. The Notion templates are coming. They are coming. Be on the lookout for that. I will be sure to make a YouTube video about these templates. I just want them to be perfect for you guys, especially if you're going to be spending your hard-earned money on it. I want to make sure that it is the best and is going to be useful for your everyday life. So definitely keep a lookout on that. But if you want to learn even more about Notion, I have an amazing video here for you. So definitely be sure to check those out here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.